Ethereum versus Bitcoin, which is better for investors now?
Bitcoin and Ethereum are the two largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, and both have been top choices for investors since their inception.
However, as the crypto market evolves, investors often ask, which is better to invest in now, Bitcoin or Ethereum?
The answer depends on several factors, including investment goals, risk tolerance, and market trends.
1. Bitcoin, digital gold.
Bitcoin, BTC, launched in 2009 by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto, was the first cryptocurrency and remains the most well-known. It is often referred to as digital gold because of its limited supply. Only 21 million coins will ever exist.
Bitcoin is primarily used as a store of value and a hedge against inflation, especially in uncertain economic times. Pros: strong brand recognition. Limited supply creates scarcity. Considered safer for long-term holding. Increasing institutional adoption. Cons: slower transaction speed. Limited use beyond being a store of value. Bitcoin is often seen as a less risky, more stable crypto investment, ideal for those looking for a long-term hedge or a decentralized asset that holds value over time. 2. Ethereum, the smart contract pioneer.
Ethereum, ETH, launched in 2015, introduced smart contracts, self-executing contracts with code-based rules. This functionality supports a vast ecosystem of decentralized apps, dApps, including NFTs, DeFi platforms, and blockchain games. Ethereum recently transitioned to a proof-of-stake, POS, model, making it more energy efficient and scalable. Pros: versatile use cases, DeFi, NFTs, dApps. Ongoing upgrades, Ethereum 2.0. Active developer community. Higher potential for growth in tech-driven sectors. Cons: more complex and volatile. Faces strong competition from other smart contract platforms. Ethereum is considered a more innovative and growth-oriented investment. However, it comes with greater risk due to its evolving nature and the competitive landscape.
3. Which is better now?
The decision largely depends on your investment profile. For stability, if you're looking for a safer, long-term store of value, Bitcoin may be the better choice. It has a proven track record and is seen as a hedge asset. For growth, if you're willing to accept more risk in exchange for higher potential returns, Ethereum may offer greater upside due to its technology and utility. Some investors even choose to diversify and hold both assets in their portfolios to balance risk and reward. 4. Current market outlook. As of 2025, Ethereum is gaining momentum with upgrades improving its performance, while Bitcoin remains dominant due to institutional support. Both are expected to perform well in the long run, but Ethereum's flexibility might offer more dynamic growth opportunities in the evolving Web3 landscape.
Conclusion: Bitcoin and Ethereum each have unique strengths.
Bitcoin is a reliable store of value, while Ethereum is a tech-focused asset with growing use cases. For most investors, a balanced approach, holding both BTC and ETH, may offer the best of both worlds.